Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, in case maybe you're new to charts, instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours worth of time. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past several days broken down, because again, each one of these is an entire 4-hour session. So just keep that in mind going forward. One other thing to keep in mind, friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to do that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the first big update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the weekend, one of the key levels of support was right there at 7,100. But now that the price has, gotten not just slightly gone below it, but really fallen quite a bit of ways below it. Question number one, and let's just use that 20-hour number. So let's say you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. Question number one, just simply, where's the price at relative to 7,100? If you're answering the question somehow that the price is actually back up above that area, that would just be telling you that the price is not only leveled out, but then made it a very impressive movement back to the upside. I'd be pretty shocked if you're answering the question that the price up above 7,100. But I suppose it is Bitcoin, so anything's possible. But yeah, 7,100, if the price does somehow get up above there, like I said, all that would be telling you 20 hours, 15 hours from now is, yeah, wow, the bulls have really turned things around. Now, if you're answering the question that the price is still down below 7,100, the next immediate question you'd need to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 6,800, which is that next key level of support that I've talked about several times before. And that is where I need to squeeze down the chart some more. Because if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually down below 6,800, which looks like it very well could be a possibility, the next key question to ask yourself is, well, where's the price at relative to 6,500, which is the lows from back here in late November. So again, if you're answering the question, the price is below 6,800, the next immediate question, well, where's the price at relative to 6,500? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below 6,500, that would just mean things have gotten extremely, nasty. But again, I highly doubt you're going to be answering the question that the price is down below 6,500, over the course of the next 24 hours or so. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 7,100, but still up above 6,800, so the price is somewhere around here. At one word could summarize that, and that would just be consolidation. So that very well may be the case. It's just some sort of form of consolidation as the price begins to go sideways here. But yeah, keep your eye on these levels, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.